For millennia, humanity has grappled with the question of what drives individuals to commit criminal acts. Is it a matter of free will, a conscious choice to disregard societal norms and laws, or could there be deeper, more complex factors at play, forces woven into the very fabric of our being? In recent decades, the burgeoning field of neuroscience has begun to offer tantalizing clues, suggesting that the answer might lie within the intricate wiring of our brains. Just as the cosmos holds countless mysteries, so too does the human mind. We are only beginning to scratch the surface of understanding the brain's role in shaping behavior, particularly in the realm of criminal activity. By delving into the inner workings of the criminal mind, we embark on a journey that challenges our preconceived notions and forces us to confront profound ethical dilemmas. This quest for knowledge is not merely an academic exercise. It has the potential to revolutionize our approach to criminal justice, leading to the more effective interventions, rehabilitation programs, and perhaps even preventative measures. But it also raises profound ethical questions about responsibility, free will, and the very nature of justice itself. As we delve deeper into the mind of a criminal, we must proceed with caution, guided by both scientific rigor and a deep sense of human compassion. Neuroscience research has revealed intriguing differences between the brains of individuals who engage in criminal behavior and those who do not. These findings don't offer a simplistic explanation, but they provide valuable insights into the biological underpinnings of criminal behavior. One area of interest is grey matter, the brain tissue responsible for processing information. Studies using brain imaging techniques have shown that individuals with antisocial personality disorder, a condition often linked to criminal behavior, tend to have reduced grey matter volume in specific brain regions. These regions include the prefrontal cortex, involved in planning and impulse control, and the amygdala, which plays a crucial role in processing emotions, particularly fear and empathy. Another striking finding is the altered activity observed in the amygdala of individuals with psychopathic traits. This brain region, often described as the fear center, shows diminished responsiveness to fearful and distressing stimuli in psychopathic individuals. This lack of emotional reactivity might contribute to their callous, unemotional behavior and their difficulty learning from punishment. While neuroscience is still unraveling the complexities of the criminal brain, research suggests that certain behavioral patterns in early childhood might serve as potential indicators of future criminal tendencies. These early warning signs are not destiny, but understanding them could be crucial for early intervention and support. One such indicator is impaired fear conditioning. Studies have shown that children as young as 3 years old who exhibit reduced fear conditioning, meaning they have difficulty associating negative consequences with their actions, are more likely to engage in criminal behavior later in life. This suggests that a blunted fear response might contribute to a lack of inhibition and disregard for rules. Another red flag is the presence of callous, unemotional traits in childhood. These traits, characterized by a lack of empathy, remorse, and guilt, are strong predictors of psychopathy in adulthood. Children exhibiting these traits often engage in bullying, cruelty to animals, and other antisocial behaviors. It's important to note that not all children with these traits will become criminals, and early intervention programs can be highly effective in mitigating these risks. One of the most remarkable discoveries in neuroscience is the concept of neuroplasticity, the brain's extraordinary ability to change and adapt throughout life. This inherent flexibility offers hope for individuals struggling with criminal tendencies, demonstrating that rehabilitation and positive change are achievable. Contrary to the once-held belief that the brain is static after a certain age, we now know that it constantly rewires itself in response to experiences, learning, and environmental influences. This means that even brain shaped by factors that increase the risk of criminal behavior can be molded and reshaped through targeted interventions. Just as negative experiences and environments can have detrimental effects on brain development, positive influences can promote positive changes. Therapeutic interventions, educational programs, and even simple acts of kindness can trigger neural rewiring, fostering empathy, impulse control, and pro-social behavior. This understanding of neuroplasticity underscores the importance of rehabilitation and second chances within the criminal justice system. The insights gleaned from neuroscience are paving the way for innovative interventions and programs designed to support individuals at risk of engaging in criminal behavior. These interventions, grounded in the principles of neuroplasticity, aim to address the underlying neurological and environmental factors that contribute to criminal tendencies. One promising avenue is the development of reward-based programs, particularly for children and adolescents exhibiting callous, unemotional traits. These programs focus on positive reinforcement, rewarding pro-social behaviors and empathy, rather than relying solely on punishment. This approach aligns with the understanding that individuals with these traits might not respond effectively to traditional disciplinary methods due to their blunted emotional responses. Another intriguing area of research explores the potential benefits of omega-3 fatty acids in improving brain function and reducing aggression. Studies have shown that omega-3 supplementation can lead to improvements in impulse control, emotional regulation, and cognitive function, all of which are crucial for preventing criminal behavior. As we delve deeper into the neurobiological underpinnings of criminal behavior, we inevitably encounter a thicket of ethical dilemmas. The emerging field of neurocriminology, while promising, raises profound questions about responsibility, free will, and the very nature of justice. One of the most contentious issues is the question of culpability. If an individual's brain is wired in a way that predisposes them to criminal behavior, can they be held fully responsible for their actions? Does a brain tumor that affects impulse control diminish an individual's culpability? These are not merely hypothetical questions. There have been real-life cases where brain abnormalities have played a role in legal proceedings, challenging our traditional understanding of criminal responsibility. Another ethical concern revolves around the potential for coercive interventions. If we can identify individuals at risk of criminal behavior through brain scans or genetic testing, is it ethical to mandate treatment, even if they have not yet committed a crime? What about the possibility of future brain-based interventions that could alter an individual's behavior without their consent? These are unsettling questions that require careful consideration and open public discourse. While the discoveries in neurocriminology are groundbreaking, it's crucial to avoid falling into the trap of biological determinism. Having a brain wired in a certain way does not predetermine a life of crime. The brain, as we have seen, is remarkably adaptable, and environmental factors, personal choices, and social influences play equally significant roles in shaping behavior. Just as the cosmos is filled with both chaos and order, so too are our lives. We are not simply slaves to our biology. We possess the capacity for change, growth, and redemption, regardless of our genetic makeup or early childhood experiences. To suggest otherwise would be to deny the very essence of human potential. Furthermore, it's essential to remember that not everyone with brain differences or early behavioral risk factors will go on to commit crimes. Many individuals with these traits lead law-abiding, productive lives. Conversely, not all criminals exhibit these neurological differences. This complexity underscores the need for a nuanced understanding of criminal behavior, one that considers the interplay of biological, psychological, and social factors. As we stand on the precipice of a new era in understanding the criminal mind, we must proceed with both caution and compassion. While the insights from neuroscience have the potential to revolutionize our approach to criminal justice, they should not be used to label, stigmatize, or dehumanize individuals. Instead, this knowledge should empower us to create a more just and humane society, one that offers support, rehabilitation, and second chances. By embracing a compassionate approach, we can break down the barriers of fear and misunderstanding that often surround criminal behavior. Imagine a future where, instead of simply punishing offenders, we focus on addressing the root causes of crime, providing early interventions, and fostering environments that nurture positive development. This vision requires a shift in perspective, a recognition that even those who stray from societal norms deserve understanding, empathy, and the opportunity for redemption. The exploration of the criminal mind is a journey into the uncharted territories of human behavior. As we continue to unravel the complexities of the brain, we must grapple with profound ethical questions and societal implications. The discoveries made in the field of neurocriminology have the potential to reshape our understanding of justice, leading to a more humane and effective approach to crime prevention and rehabilitation. The future of justice lies not in simplistic solutions or deterministic pronouncements, but in embracing the intricate interplay of nature and nurture. By combining scientific rigor with compassion and a deep respect for human dignity, we can create a society that fosters both accountability and redemption, offering hope and healing to even those who have strayed from the path. The cosmos, in its vastness, reminds us that even the most complex problems are not insurmountable. With courage, curiosity, and a commitment to justice, we can navigate these challenges and create a brighter future for all.